At the end of February 2026, demolition started on the 5 flats at the bottom of 2 Thatcher Crescent, Crofton Downs. These flats were built in 1981, and the RSA, the Returned Servicemen's Association, contributed over $12,000 to their construction. Also, part of road reserve was taken to make the construction possible. The flats are going to be replaced with 21 new flats. This is an extremely good location for social housing. It is directly across the road from the Crofton Downs railway station, Mitre 10, Woolworths is up the street just a short distance, and Bowen Hospital is at the top of the hill. It is also close to Trelisic Park and the walking tracks in it. Construction of the new 21 flat complex will start very shortly. Over the years there have been many people living at the flats at Thatcher Crescent. I got to talk to one of them, Barry Ellis. Barry Ellis is 90 in November and looking forward to moving back to Crofton Downs.
If you like this video, please tick like, subscribe and share it with a friend.
More videos at By George NZ.
Hi, my name is Barry Ellis and I lived at 1/2 Thatcher Crescent for 15 years. It was a wonderful time and I look forward to coming back when the new building's there.
That's brilliant. You lived there with your wife, I believe?
Yes, I lived there with my wife up till 3 years ago, then she became deceased.
Right.
And then I lived there pretty much on my own, but with lots of support of family and friends. It's a lovely area.
Yep.
And I've enjoyed every moment I've been there, but I'm not sad to see it go.
Right. You're enjoying Karori, but you'll be enjoying coming back here too.
That's correct. Yes, correct.
Well, as you can see, the site has been completely cleared of the old buildings. I'm not a big fan of infilling, but on this site I could see that it could work quite well. 21 units might be too many, but only time will tell. I certainly hope to be back here for the opening of the flats when it happens. Also, if you're interested in seeing more programs on housing development throughout the northern suburbs, please let me know by putting something in the comments at By George NZ YouTube channel. Also, I came through Wadestown and I see they've pulled down the old church to make way for flats, so it's certainly a big subject and there's another video in it if you want to see it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please tick like, please subscribe, leave a comment. More videos coming along very soon.